Everyone, my name is Enhle Zwane. I'm a history tutor for the Edurise Empowerment Hub. Today we'll be looking at paper one for the grade 11s. So we'll be focusing on Stalin, the 5-year plan. So it is very important to understand that the 5-year plan, it was it is very important to understand that the 5-year plan, it was a series of steps. So there were 5 steps in order for Stalin to make change. So it occurred within the period of 1928 to 1943. So the aim was to improve the industry within the country and also transform the society and also the powerhouse, which was the Soviet Union. So the aim of this essay, we're going to look at the detailed 5-year plan, their impacts, and also their objectives, and how it also affected the population or the citizens of USSR. The first 5-year plan, it focused on industry, collectivization of agriculture. So it focused on industry and agriculture. So their target, it was for the production of steel, coal, and machinery. So their aim, it was to improve infrastructure such as the railway and also the power plants. However, they faced challenges such as conflict within their farming and also the Caucasus. The Caucasus were the people, were the farmers who resided in the Soviet Union, their societies. Then the second 5-year plan, it was from 1933 to 1937. It focused on sectors such as chemicals, consumer goods, and defense industries. So the plan, it emphasized on construction of new factories and also expanding more of them. However, after the Great Depression, it affected a global economy wherein the Soviet Union could not manage to achieve their desired growth. Because of that, the quality of consumer goods it lowered and also the living conditions did not improve significantly. Then the third 5-year plan, it was from 1938 to 1943. It was disrupted by the World War II, where countries were fighting. That is where the tension escalated, where the Soviet Union shifted their focus into rearmament. Rearmament, we are looking at weapons. We are looking at weapons, guns. So the aim of this plan, it was to enhance the country's defense capabilities, meaning they wanted to strengthen the soldiers to be trained. So that was the aim of the third 5-year plan. Then the fourth 5-year plan, it was from 1946 to 1950. It focused on reconstruction and economic recovery after the Great Depression and the World War II. So it aimed to rebuild the damaged infrastructure, revive industrial production since there was inflation. However, their efforts to improve the living standards, provide necessities, it was not an easy part because there was war emerging within other countries. That is when the 5-year plan was constructed. So the fifth 5-year plan, it was from 1948. The fifth year plan, it was from 1951 to 1955. So it marks the final phase of Stalin economic initiative. It aimed to consolidate the Soviet Union's position as a global superpower by focusing on the production and consumer goods, improving living standards, and enhancing agriculture. However, Stalin, he died on 1953, which led to a significant shift of priorities and also the plan. That's when new leadership was established. So the impact and consequences of the 5-year plan was that number one, the positive thing was that it transformed the Soviet Union, and also the plan, it laid a foundation for the development of infrastructure, industries, and also military people. However, their achievements, it came with a great cost, where agriculture resulted to disposition of millions of peasants, meaning many peasants were left unemployed. They became unemployed, causing this causing a widespread of resistance. So this is where, so in general or in all, in the 5-year plan, kahle kahle, we are focusing on the things that led to Bani Stalin implementing and also improving agriculture, ways of living, industries in order to contribute to the livelihood of the society within the Soviet Union. So all in all, it is important to understand that the 5-year plan, it led to the Soviets' population, and also it impacted their ways of living. Despite Uguti, they had achievements, they achieved certain things. So thank you for listening to my video. Next time I'll be explaining the paper 2 for grade 11 and history for grade 12.